Morning everyone, nandito po tayo sa Bagok, Ilocos Sur. I have a question first before you go, okay? What's your name, Iha?
Forte.
Forte, okay. So Forte, I have a question first.
It's Justin Leo Del Vega.
My name is Rodolfo P. Ambrosio Jr.
Rodolfo from
Colita, Singan, Pangasinan.
PSU Pangasinan. So,
My best experience in this competition is I found a
Game over.
enemy. Nakatawa rin, sir. Patikan.
I found a girl.
That turns into a friends.
guys, so other players, okay. This one, Sir Manong. Manong.
Hello guys, my name is Ranis de la Cruz. Yomar.
What do you want to call you? Is it mom or sir? Sir, who is the most handsome players? Who is the top 3 most handsome?
I'm James Vicente.
Anong masasabi mo dito sa larong sepak takraw?
Shoutout di Barkada nga ni Ardi.
Ardili, okay.
Alexandra Nicole.
For me, it helps me relieve stress. Mas nabibuild namin yung chemistry, yung teamwork namin para sa mga upcoming games, ganun. Yeah.
So what a nice what a nice answer. So morning everyone, nandito po tayo sa Bagok, Ilocos Sur. So now, meron po tayong ilan sa mga interviewin about sa SKUA. Okay? Let's proceed. Ay, wala na sa mga babae. Sorry. So ayun, naglalakad po tayo, naghahanap po tayo ng mga i-interviewin about this kind of competition. Okay? So let's find. Ay! Alis na sila, sir. Ay, ito, si ano. So naghahanap po tayo ngayon. Paalis na sila. Ay, dito. Tasan ng... Sir. So, pudot po sa ating It's Hot in the Philippines. So, andito po tayo sa ating venue. So, naghahanap tayo ng mga players. So, wala tayong mahanap na players, guys. Okay. So, balik tayo doon sa ating pwesto. Okay, doon na lang tayo. Ay, so, meron tayong nakitang interviewin. Okay. So, what's your name po? What's your name, ma'am? What's your name, ma'am? Leia. Okay, I have a question first before you go, okay? So, what was your best experience in this kind of competition? Can you give me a short answer? Come on. Come on. Okay. What's your name, Iha?
Forte.
Forte, okay. So, Forte, I have a question first. Okay? So, what was your best experience in this kind of competition? Okay? So, gusto mo Tagalog? Oh. Okay, walang sumasagot. Sila ay busog pa.
Nauuman na ako sa'yo.
Okay, let's have this player, okay? So, what's your name?
My name is Justin Leo Del Vega.
Oh, Justin De La Vega from...
Pangasinan, Asingan.
Asingan. So I have a question first. Okay, before you go, okay? So what was your best experience in terms of this kind of competition?
Malalakas sila and
Okay.
magandang experience kasi nabigyan kami ng magandang laban ng mga iba't ibang schools and medics, ayos naman yung pag medics nila.
Okay, what a nice answer. So thank you so much. I hope you will win later on to your championship match. Okay? So another player. We're going to find another player again. So nandun sila sa Nipo Hot. The Nipo Hot. Si Sir. The Power Pop Hot. So, andito po tayo ngayon na maghahanap po tayo ng mga i-interviewin. One of the players of PSU. So, one of the PSU. Okay, so here we already found a new player. Okay, so good morning, sir. So what's your name again?
My name is Rodolfo Pembrosio Jr.
Rodolfo from
from Colita, Singan, Pangasinan.
PSU Pangasinan. So I have a question first, okay? So what was your best experience in this kind of competition?
My best experience in this competition is
Make it in English, please.
okay. I found a
Game over.
enemy. Nakatawa rin, sir. Patikan.
No, you found what? You found what? You found an enemy.
Oh,
What kind of enemy is that?
that turns into a friends.
So you won? What do you say?
Yan.
Many friends. Okay. Next player tayo. Other players. Okay. This one. Sir, Manong. Manong. Si Region 1. Okay, what's your name, Region 1?
So, hello guys, my name is Ryan De La Cruz.
Ryan S. De La Cruz from...
I'm from PSU, Asingan.
Oy, the pride of PSU Asingan. So, before we proceed, I have a first question. What was your best experience in this kind of competition?
So, ang pinaka-best na experience ko dito is yung lumabas yung laro ko.
Yes, yeah, lumabas ang laro. And then, so, what will you say to our fellow players to motivate them to continue their playing?
Ang masasabi ko lang is, ang mga team ko is malalakas. Basta dapat keep the motivation higher.
Higher. Yes, keep motivation higher. So, thank you so much, Mr.
Ryan De La Cruz.
Ryan De La Cruz. Okay, let's move on to the next player. Okay, sir, good morning po. Can I ask your permission to ask a question? Okay, so what's your name first, sir?
Jomar.
Jomar from
Bagok.
Bagok,
Kawayan.
Kawayan. So, okay, so I have a question first, sir. So, what did you observe of this kind of competition? So, what is your observation in this kind of competition?
Parehas na magagaling yung dalawang team. Tapos, maganda yung laro nila.
Maganda yung laro. Okay, so ano po, what will you say about this kind of competition or to our players to support them, to motivate them for their playing time?
More power, ano ba yun?
Oh, yan lang, sir. Okay lang, sir. Your dialect, sir.
Pagbutihin nila yung
Okay,
yung
sir.
practice nila para mas maganda yung sa susunod na laban nila.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir. Sir, what's your name again, sir?
Jomar.
Omar. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, let's move on to another interviewer now. So, it's very hot in this place. Okay, so let's move on to the seller of this Bagok Ilocos Sur. So, good morning, ma'am. So, magandang umaga po, ma'am. So, pwede po ba kayong makuha yung konting oras nyo? So, meron po lang ako ilang katanungan about this kind of competition. Pwede po ba? Okay, so about sa kamusta po ang pagbebenta niyo, ma'am?
Mabuti naman.
Mabuti naman. Ayos naman po ba ang kita?
Okay lang.
Okay lang po. So ano masasabi niyo po dito, ma'am? Is it helping for your business or it is not productive into your business?
Helping for business.
Okay, so thank you so much. What's your name again, ma'am?
Elma.
Elma. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. So, naglalaro sila, sir. Tama, sir. Pwede muna. Hello po. Excuse me, ma'am. So, good morning po. So, can I have your permission first to ask a question? Who wants to volunteer first, ma'am? Okay, sige, ma'am. What's your name? What do you want to call me? Call you? Is it ma'am or sir? Sir, what's your name first?
Sir, I'm Clarence A. Perez po.
From?
From the University of Northern Philippines, Vigan.
UNP. So I have a question first to ask. Okay, so who is the most handsome players? Is it the PSU, Mamasu, Dimsu, or ISPSC? What is your preferred?
So based on my,
UNP, sorry.
based on my observation, so kanina po,
The most?
I think it's
Based on your observation?
I think it's PSU. Especially Mr. De La Vega. Mr. De La Vega.
De La Vega. I think De La Vega. At least give one reason. So bakit siya tinawag na handsome?
I
At
think
least top 3. Oh, top
top
3.
So I think a while ago nung nag-ask siya about sa I think it's bandage.
Yes,
He respected my colleagues po. I mean like nag-greet and then especially gumamit ng coin opo and moreover parang he has the charisma.
Okay, charisma. So it's all about charisma to be called as most handsome player. So thank you so much. What's your name again, sir?
Clarence A. Perez.
Clarence R. Perez. So thank you so much po, ma'am and sir. Next interviewer. Okay, who wants to volunteer first? Okay, ma'am, what's your name po? What's your name, ma'am?
Camille, sir.
Camille from UNP.
Yes.
Again, okay, so I have a question first. So based on your perspective or perception in terms of handsome, okay, so who is the top 3 most handsome? Is it the PSU, DIMSU, UNP, or Mamasu, or ISPSU? And then at least highlight one of the
PSU po.
PSU. So
Like,
do you know her or him? Sorry.
like, Clarence po. Si,
Dalabay.
yes po.
So, bakit mo siya tinawag na handsome? So, because of its appearance? Is it all about physical appearance?
And
charisma?
also, magaling din po siya sa, sports niya po.
Okay, so, at least, top 2. Top 2. One more.
Wala na po akong
Ay, wala na. So, si De La Vega lang po talaga ang pinakagwapo dito sa ating. Okay, so thank you so much. What's your name again, ma'am?
Camille po.
Camille. So thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am and sir, thank you so much po. So, ma'am, sir. Ay, De La Vega. Okay, speaking of the most handsome player at PSU, Pangasinan State University from Masingan, Pangasinan. Okay, so he's coming up. Okay. Hintayin natin, sir. Dito ka, Justin. Okay. So as per them, they said that you are the most handsome player.
No.
So,
Hindi yun totoo,
so what
guys.
is your feedback about their comment? Okay.
Guys, hindi yun totoo.
Kaya labi ka doon.
Thank you na lang mga ate kahit hindi totoo.
What will you say? What is your commentary about your
Mabay na sir. Mabay na garod sir.
Sabi na, para ano ba feedback? So feedback, at least make it constructive. Go on.
Mabay na.
So, do you agree that Mr. De La Vega is one of the most handsome? Yes, yun. So thank you so much po for your kind and your permission to ask your question. So yun lamang po. Okay, next tayo, sir. Saan tayo? Thank you so much po. Hello, sir. Sir, good morning again, sir. Can I have your permission po, sir? So I want to ask a question first about this kind of competition, sir. Is it okay for you, sir?
Okay.
What's your name again, sir? What's your name again?
Good morning. I'm James Vicente, head coach of MMSU team. By the way, congratulations sa laro ninyo kanina against ISPSC.
So, ilang taon na po kayong nagko-coach sa MMSU, sir?
23 years na. Oo.
Okay, so before we go, sir, I have last question. So, what do you want to say about the not only the MMSU player but other players, sir, to have motivational what do you call this one? To motivate them or inspire them in this kind of competition, sir?
Yeah, Sepak Takraw is an exciting game. As they can see, napakaganda yung laro ng mga athletes natin dito sa Region 1, no? Especially yung team Pangasinan, no? PSU. So, nakikita ko na dito sa Region 1, nakikita ko na yung PSU talaga yung halos palaging nananalo, no? So napakaganda yung program nila. So nakikita ng ibang player na parang yung style ng Pangasinan dapat ma-adapt din nila dito yung mga ibang team para sa ganon at lalakas din sila sa susunod na competition. So naeengganyo sila nga pag nakikita nila na Pangasinan yung naglalaro tulad ng mga players din namin. So yan lang. Advance congratulations sa magiging laro ninyo mamayang hapon. Oo.
Okay,
Good luck.
Okay, so thank you for your motivational and advice, sir. So I hope this next year, sir, we're going magkaroon pa tayo ng other competition that best experience for other players, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, thank you po, sir. Thank you po. Okay, so anong pangalan nading? Anong pangalan?
James Nicolo Sotelo.
From Tagasan.
Dito sa Bago.
Oh, ilang taon na?
10 years old.
Okay, so anong masasabi mo dito sa larong Sepak Takraw? Anong masasabi mo? Gusto mo ba maglaro ng Sepak Takraw?
Opo.
Okay, so anong masasabi mo dito? Maganda ba siyang laruin or hindi?
Maganda po.
Maganda, bakit? Kasi
Dahil masaya ang larong ito.
masaya ang larong ito. Okay, thank you so much. Anong pangalan mo?
James Nicolo Sotelo.
So, soon to be a Sepak player. Shout out. Sino? Shout out first. Sinong siya shout out mo?
Shoutout di barkada nga ni Ardi.
Ardili. Okay, so thank you so much. Hello po, ma'am. Hello po, ma'am. Pwede po ba kaming ma-interview po kayo for seconds lang po. So, tanong ko lang po, kamusta po ang business po natin sa
Okay naman, sir.
Okay naman po yung kita, ma'am. So, anong pangalan po niyo, ma'am?
Grace.
Grace. Okay, so ano masasabi niyo po dito sa ating this kind of event na nagkaroon po kayo sa lugar na ito, ma'am?
Maganda naman, nagkaroon sa pagpapalaro dito.
Okay naman, ma'am, at wala naman po bang mga problema or is it happy na nagkaroon po kayo ng gantong event sa place niyo po, ma'am?
Wala namang problema, sir.
Okay, so ano masasabi niyo, ma'am, sa ating mga players na nandito or sa ating mga bisita, mga delegates na pumunta dito, ma'am?
Mababait naman sila.
So thank you so much. What's your name again, ma'am?
Grace.
Please, thank you so much po. On to our PSU women Sepak Takraw player. So what's your name, ma'am?
Alexandra Nicole.
Alexander from?
Pangasinan.
Of course, from Pangasinan. So I have a question first to ask. So what is your best experience of this kind of competition?
My biggest experience so far is meeting all new friends.
Looking all new friends.
Meeting all new friends.
Okay, making all new friends. So why Sepak Takraw is essential for our life or our journey to achieve our dreams, something like that?
Of course, playing Sepak Takraw help us boost our confidence, and of course, it is best for our body, for exercises, and Yes.
Okay, so what's your name again, ma'am?
Alexandra Nicole.
Next player po tayo. So, I have a question, just like to Ma'am Alex. So, what is your best experience in this kind of competition?
My best experience in this kind of competition is meeting new friends and having fun with my teammates.
Okay, having fun and making a new friend. So, why Sepak Takraw is important of our life or our journey to achieve our dreams?
Sepak takraw for me it helps me relieve stress and also it's my what do you call this pampalipas na yeah pampalipas oras and then yun nakakapag-bonding kami with my teammates and yun mas nabibuild namin yung chemistry, yung teamwork namin para sa mga upcoming games, ganun. Yeah.
So, what a nice what a nice answer. So, what's your name again, ma'am?
I am Karen M. Arevalo from Pangasinan.
Pangasinan. Okay, next po tayo. Okay, sir.